Hi everyone, welcome back to LUCID tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add an image to a PDF file using the Preview app on your Mac. Getting started with this process is quick and simple, and you won't need any third-party software. Let's get started. I have already opened my PDF file and an image using the Preview app on my Mac. I am currently running macOS Ventura. First, I'll press the Command plus A keys on my keyboard to select the entire image. You will notice a series of marching dashes surrounding the picture, along with 6 handles that allow you to adjust its size. Next, I'll press the Command plus C keys to copy the image to the clipboard. After that, I paste the image over the original one in the same window using the Command and V keys. This is an important step. The image must be pasted in the same window. To ensure that the image has been pasted over the original one, use the hand tool and try to move it around. After that, use the Command plus C keys once more to copy the top image to the clipboard. It's important to confirm that the top image has been successfully copied to the clipboard. To add the image or photo to your PDF document, first click on it to bring it forward. Then use the Command plus V keys to paste the image. This is how you can add an image to your PDF file in the Preview app on your Mac. To gain more knowledge and learn how to overcome common problems while adding an image to your PDF document, watch this tutorial video to master the process. I will leave the link in the description box below this video. Make sure to delete this pasted image before closing the window. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. Your support motivates me to create more helpful videos for you. Thank you for watching.